All right, I'm going to show you how to make a paint stir out of a plastic hanger. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to cut it right here. It's like this. I'm using my tree trimmer because it's hard to do. I'm going to cut it here. Right about there. If I can get it in there. Yeah, this is my little stir. So now I'm going to take this and put it in here. See that? Like that. And that's how you stir it. We're gonna go try it right now.
This thing doesn't shut now.
All right, so we tried to shake this, but apparently she got the thing broke or something. I don't know. Let's see if she can get the top off. That's how you get a top off a paint can, by the way. There's one of these little tools right here.
I gotta find something to.
You can also use a screwdriver. Now the question is that going to get? Oh my God!
And I don't have to have it all the way off, but I need to pour it out.
You got to get it off of there so I can stir it.
Well, I need to pour it out of something. Here.
I'm gonna put it right in there.
But I mean, it shouldn't be splashing everywhere. So.
No, it should. First, I got to get in there like that, and you don't have to go super fast. You just go slow.
You touching the bottom?
Yeah.
You've got to get all that stuff off the bottom.
It's becoming more white. Why is that?
Because it's whiter. It's just a hint of color to it. So I want it as...
Do you need more color? We're almost there. We're going to stop her and she's going to check it. I did see a little red coming out. It might be because it's on the bottom.
That's probably fine.
What do you think?
It's fine. I'm going to pour it into this can.
So is this water soluble?
Yes. So
okay,
stick
so I can put
that
there?
Straight down there.
Okay. All right, what do you think? That is a painting hack.
Funny.
Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this. Peace out.